I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Settings on your iPhone and tap Phone. This starts blocking at the system level. First, use Silence Unknown Callers. Toggle it on to send unknown numbers straight to voicemail. Then, tap Blocked Contacts and add a number. Choose a recent call or enter a contact to stop future rings. Once done, make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus isn't preventing changes. Those controls can override audible behavior. You're already reducing most interruptions. Next, we'll refine Do Not Disturb and contact groups. Open Focus in Settings to set precise rules. Tap Focus, pick Do Not Disturb, or create a new focus for calls only. This lets you silence everything except allowed contacts. Tap People, then allow calls from and choose favorites, contacts only, or specific groups to permit only desired callers. Next, configure time-sensitive notifications and repeated calls. Turn off repeated calls if you don't want emergency bypass. Once configured, test with a friend's phone to confirm behavior before moving to carrier-level blocking. To stop all calls effectively, contact your carrier or use their online settings to enable network-level blocking and Do Not Disturb features. Carriers can block spam and specific numbers. Also use Silence Unknown Callers plus individual blocks for persistent numbers. Finally, if calls still get through, reboot your iPhone, check iOS updates, and reset network settings as a last resort. This preserves data but removes Wi-Fi passwords. If problems persist, call Apple support or visit an Apple store. They can inspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.